These are some 3x3 Rubik's Cube example solves using the beginner method that I outlined in my tutorial. A link to that tutorial is in the description. Remember that when scrambling the puzzle, you need to hold the green in front and the white on top. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to put the yellow on top. I can see that this edge is upside down, so I can bring it down here and move it to the top. I can move this one to the top straight away. Move this one to the top. And then by turning this right here, I can move it to the top to make the daisy. Lining them up, just like that, to make my cross on the bottom. I'll start with this corner, put it above where it needs to go, and do the right trigger to get it in its spot. Here's this corner, and I'll do it right here 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. This corner, and the last one. This edge is lined up in an upside down T, and it goes to the right, so I'll do the algorithm. This edge goes to the right, this edge goes to the left, and this edge is flipped, so I'll use this edge as a substitution. There. Here's my upside down T, and this one goes to the right. Now, since I have the little L, I can do this algorithm and repeat it again for the line. I'm going to put my yellow sticker right here until I get a fish shape. There's my fish, and it goes in the top right. Another fish. Here I have 2 adjacent corners. And I don't have any bars yet, so I'm just going to do the edge swapping algorithm from anywhere. And here's my bar, so I'll do it again. And I need to do it one more time to solve the puzzle. Okay, yellow on top. These 2 edges, I can bring both of them down and bring them up. I can bring this one up like this, and this one up like this. Lining them all up. Okay. Now I can insert this corner right away. If I put this one over here, I can do it in 5 tries. This one's above where it needs to go. And there's this corner in the back, and I'm just going to bring it to the front and insert it. Alright, second layer. This edge goes to the right, so I'll do the algorithm. This edge also goes to the right, and this edge ended up where it needed to be, and it goes to the left. If I move this edge over, I can see that it goes to the right. Now I have a dot, so I'm going to do my algorithm, and then I have an L. I have a line, so I'm going to put it horizontal, and I'm going to do my algorithm to get a fish. And here's my fish, so I'm going to do it again, and I get another fish. Here are my 2 adjacent corners, and my bar is in the back right here. And there we go. Okay, so this edge is flipped, so I can bring it down here and bring it up like that. Where this edge is, I can turn it to the side and bring it up. And the last edge is over here, so I can bring it to the side and bring it up like that. Then just line them all up. If I bring this corner above this spot, I can do that right trigger 5 times to put it in. If I put this one over its spot, I'll have to do it 3. Another 3. And then this one just once. I could do this edge first and line it up with the orange, and it goes to the right, so I'll do the right algorithm. If I line this edge up, I can see that it goes to the left, and I'll do the left algorithm. If I line this edge up, it goes to the right. and the final one's already there, and it also goes to the right. I have a line, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to put my corner back here and keep doing that algorithm until I get a fish. So another corner back here, and here's my fish, so its head goes in the top right. Another fish. Here are my two adjacent corners, and here's my bar. There we go. Okay, I have no edges already on the top. I could put both of these up at the same time and bring this one up to the top too. This one's kind of flipped, so we can bring it over here, and then I'll bring it to the top. Then I can line up all of my edges to get my cross on the bottom. Now I'll start with this corner, and it has to go 3 times. This one, if I put it over here, I have to do the algorithm 3 times, and another 3 times to get that corner in. And here's the last one, so bring it over its spot, and I only had to do it once. This edge is already lined up in the T, and I can see that it goes to the left, so I'm going to do the left algorithm. If I line this one up, it also goes to the left. If I line this one up, it also goes to the left. And this one's already solved. I have a line, so I'm going to do my algorithm, and then put my yellow sticker right here until I get a fish. So here's my fish. Just like that. And I have diagonal swapped edges, so I have to do the algorithm from anywhere. And here are my adjacent edges, or corners, my adjacent corners. And my bar is right in front of me. And there we go. Alright, this will be the last solve for this video. I can bring this edge up. Here's this one. And I can bring this edge up like that. And this one's on the bottom, so I can just bring it straight to the top. If I line up my edges, and now I have my white cross on the bottom, I can take this corner and put it over here and do my right algorithm 3 times. This corner goes over here, and I'll do my right algorithm. These 2 corners are both in the wrong spot, so I'll just do the algorithm to get this one out and put it in over here. And in doing that, it brought this corner out, so then I can put this one in its spot. Here's my upside down T, and this edge goes to the left. I can tell because red and green, in between the red and green. This one goes to the right, in between the red and blue. This one also goes to the right. And this one goes to the left. I have a dot, so I'm going to do this. Now I have an L, so I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to turn the line horizontal, and I'm going to do it one last time. I straight away got a fish, so I'm going to put it in the top right. And then here are my 2 adjacent corners. And my bar is right in front of me. And there we go. If you found this example solve video helpful, please do me a favor and like and subscribe. And I suggest you check out my 3x3 intermediate tutorial that's a little bit more advanced than the beginner tutorial, and see what you guys think. And try to learn a little bit of extra steps. It should be fun, but I know you guys can do it.